Hi, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, and I thought we'd do a quick video of this Honda ProLink CBX 1000 6-cylinder. We haven't done a video in a while because we've been doing some shows, Easter holidays and all that, so we're a bit behind. And this particular bike is ending this weekend. It's quite low odds, so you'll have to check the website to see what the date and time is at the time of us filming this video. It's a bit undersold, so like I said, great odds for you guys. You can see all the 6 cylinders down there. This was kind of like the pinnacle of Honda's engineering at the time, 6 cylinders. This is a ProLink, so you've got your shock absorber in the middle there rather than your twin shock models, which were the earlier bikes. The earlier bikes are a bit more desirable. People seem to prefer the twin shock design. It's a bit more classic. This is called the ProLink for that reason, that single shocker under the seat there. This bike has had the fairing removed, so originally it would have this kind of big fairing. And it's a bit 50-50 whether people like it with the fairing or not. I think a lot of people do prefer it naked, or they thought this was the bike Honda should have made. They shouldn't have put the fairing on because the early ones are so desirable and so really cool looking with that naked classic design that a lot of people do take the fairings off. So this one has the fairing off. It doesn't come with the original fairing, but everything is original on the bike, original paintwork. It's a UK example with only just under 26,000 miles on the clock. There's a really, really nice example. It looks like it's got aftermarket pipes on it. Jammer Engineering. Assuming that's a Jamaican company. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to start it. So just ignition on. I have warmed it up already, so we'll not touch the pipes because I'll get 3rd-degree burns. Otherwise they'll have to take me to hospital. We're not going to do that. So ignition on, fuel on. Don't need the choke because we have warmed it up. So your fuel tap's around here. So I think that's on reserve. And then we have a nice start button here. And then we should just be able to press that and it'll fire up, make a nice noise. But like I said, it is warm, so we can rev it a bit and we'll be okay. Put my mic next to the exhaust. Sounds amazing, very iconic sound, those 6 cylinders. It's like a baby Formula 1 car. So yeah, that's kind of it on this one. Really nice example, very usable a bike as well. Tickets are $2.99 as usual. Get them on our website. It's classiccompetitioncompany.com. Yeah, good luck. And whoever wins this, I think, be very excited, ready for summer, have a bit of fun. What a lovely machine.